Hello everyone, I am Anujit. Today I'll show you how to design festive Diwali greeting cards using Adobe Express. Simple, fast and elegant. Head to adobe.com/express. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once inside, click Custom Size Graphic or simply search Diwali greeting card templates. Adobe Express has loads of pre-designed options that you can start with. Blank canvas, ready to rock, or a festive template ready to customize. Let's ditch the plain white. Diwali deserves more sparkle. I am picking a deep purple background with golden accents. You can also upload your own textures, maybe Rangoli, Diyas, or fireworks for a truly custom Diwali greeting card design. Consistency tip: if it's for your business, stick to your brand colors so people instantly recognize you. Now for the fun part, the Diwali greeting card message. Let's type wishing you light, joy and new beginnings this Diwali. Use a bold festive font, add a golden outline and maybe a shadow for depth. Keep it simple but warm. That's what makes people smile. Adobe Express has a huge library of icons. Let's add a Diya symbol and some subtle fireworks. Drag, drop, resize. Too much clutter. Let's shrink it. Still no. Okay, let's keep it minimal. Sometimes less is more, and that's what makes a design feel elegant. Want to turn this into a Diwali invitation card? Easy. Just replace the message with details: date, time and venue. Boom! Your festive greeting just became a beautiful invite. If you are a small business, you can use one version to thank customers, another to invite them to festive sales, or even share it as a social media post. Different variations, one easy tool. See how quick that was? Remember, great design doesn't need hours. It just needs your creativity and Adobe Express. Try Adobe Express today and send greetings that truly shine. Website link in the caption. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Wish you all a very happy Diwali.